Hello friends, welcome to today's updates. ITC shares has hit a 8-month low. The stock prices seems to have dropped following the reports suggesting that the government is looking to hike the goods and services taxes on cigarettes. Not just ITC, even Godfrey Phillips India stock prices has dipped in the recent trading session based on the news of possible GST increase on cigarettes. Based on the recent reports, government could be considering a GST increase on cigarettes and other tobacco products by up to 40%. As of today, the tobacco products faces GST of 28% excluding the cess. Government has not raised GST in the last 2 years for these products. We will have to wait and watch to see what might unfold in the coming days as far as ITC is concerned. Overall, there has been pressure in FMCG market based on low spending in urban and rural areas, due to which the recent tax concessions were also provided for the salaried class. Recent developments have suggested that Tesla is looking to partner with Tata Motors. Tesla is getting ready to set up its manufacturing plant in Maharashtra, possibly in Pune. Tata Motors is trading possibly at its low PE in the recent times, which is about 7.94. Jaguar and Land Rover business is trading with a 2-year forward estimate of 1.2 times its business valuation. Tata Motors is starting to face stiff competition among other EV manufacturers like Mahindra and MG Motors. Tata Motors over the last 1 year has traded at a 52-week high of 1,179 rupees and a 52-week low of 667 rupees. As of now, most of the investors are in wait and watch mode as Tesla is looking to enter the Indian market in the coming days. Gold prices have moved higher slowly as the fear of trade tariff is increasing. Rising for the fourth day, gold prices has advanced to a fresh all-time high. Gold prices has hit a lifetime high of 87,810 rupees per gram in the national capital. During Wednesday, 24-carat gold jumped as much as 700 rupees per 10 grams. 24-carat gold is costing 87,810 rupees as per the latest rates. The US FOMC meeting minutes indicated that the Federal Reserve would wait for the inflation to cool down before reducing the interest rates, while the US tariff possesses the risk of inflation. Donald Trump has proposed a 25% or higher tariff on the pharmaceutical imports into US. If implemented, this could impact the Indian pharmaceutical companies, which are the key suppliers of generic medicines in US market. The tariff could increase their costs and reduce the profitability of these companies, as US is one of the biggest markets for Indian pharmaceutical companies. According to recent data, US accounts for about 31% of India's pharmaceutical exports in the fiscal year 2024, translating to billions in revenue. Companies like Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy's, Cipla and Natco are among the players with major exposure to US market. Sun Pharma has 32% revenue from USA. Dr. Reddy's has 47% contribution from US and Canada, while Cipla has 30% contribution from US and Canadian market during 2024. Goldman Sachs has bought BSE shares worth 401 crore during the recent trading sessions in an open market deal. As per the latest data from NSE, Goldman Sachs Singapore, a part of US-based Goldman Sachs, purchased 7.28 lakh shares of BSE Limited. Recently, BSE had reported a net profit of 108.2 crores, higher than the same quarter in the last year. The exchange also recorded its highest ever quarterly revenue of 835.4 crores during the December quarter, a 91% increase from 431 crores during the same period last year. If you found this content helpful, please hit the like button to express your support and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching.